Hello, welcome. If you guys are watching on your phone, you guys can skip a little bit. We'll get into it though here in a second. Yeah, if you guys are getting in here, welcome. Welcome, welcome. We're going to start up today, getting the word out, tweeting out. You guys know what we do. Let me get off of this screen. If you guys got any questions, let me know. I want to know. I think Life is going to be my top play today. We look really, really strong. I know some of my we took a swing in Life yesterday, so I know some of my followers have been absolutely banking on the setup Life. So I know one of my guys in here is holding Life from like $6. So congratulations on our Life swing. We paid off today, huge. So definitely could possibly be a setup in today. I haven't really looked at too many tickers yet. We got about 10 minutes to look at some tickers. I want to make it very known about how I told you guys that FCell was gonna pop off. FCell popped off. We use technicals on this channel, and it ends up working a lot of the time. So congratulations if you took FCell. I'm gonna be looking for more FCell opportunity. Remember we talked yesterday about FCell possibly being able to pop off. And FCell, I know some people took FCell with me, and it's quite FCell's possibly going to be a runner. We're going to break this resistance line right here. I know people have been watching it. It's been on watch, but it looks like we totally crossed over that resistance line. I'm going to be looking for a slight pull back to get into FCell. I have a target of $9 with this crossover. It's going to be a swing. Yeah, we definitely want to see RSI reset a bit. We want to buy in these kind of sixes, like I said. Good morning. So our live swing at the end of last night is looking really good, and then we talked about buying FCell. I'm looking to get more shares into FCell. I had a starter. I didn't have much, but I want to wait for this RSI to cool off a bit before we get into FCell. Wish we would have gotten more yesterday, but that's okay. And then we have a nice, so FCell is going to be on top watch, most definitely. And then we have, we're starting to flag right here, and then we want to look at Life. Life is looking good too. We're starting to base here. Yeah, FCell is definitely going to be a runner today, in my opinion. I don't know if news is moving it or what is moving it, but like I said, we broke that long-term resistance line that we've been trying to break over for like 4 months. So we should see some big moves today. Yeah, I want to wait for FCell to cool off. FCell is going to be the play of the day. CI, yeah, looks like a dip opportunity. Yeah, SDC was up a lot after hours. I know that. Yeah, definitely FCell and Life look like some top plays today. Maybe we're flagging on the 1 minute. Let's take a look. If you guys got any questions, go ahead and drop those below. FCell looks like Are you holding FSL? Oh, nice. FSL should make some really big moves today, in my opinion. So I'm going to be looking at accumulating a position for a swing today. Morning, peeps. Morning, Matt. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking to accumulate a position in FSL this morning. I'm actually gonna go ahead and buy some shares right now, and I have a few shares in live too. So, okay, I'm gonna buy. Oh, we're gonna start with the 300 share starter. Okay, fill that six. Oh, wait, did I fill my phone? Let's see. Okay, we filled at 627. So, we're gonna. Like I said, I'm gonna be working for a swing. I think this is gonna be a big runner today. Or we're gonna be for the next few days. So, okay, we got a 627 starter. I have a couple shares over here in live. The only reason I'm so confident about this FSL swing is we broke this long-term resistance. Last time we did that right here, we went 6 to 12 in a few days. So I'm going to be holding this for a longer-term swing. Probably targeted about $10. Not going to be really day trading. We're going to be playing this as a swing. Live, keep an eye on it. It's the move. Yeah, I was swinging live yesterday. We have some shares in live. Yeah, that's another good setup when looks like we're ready for the next leg up as well. I have 200 shares in life, but starting another flag. It wouldn't be a bad idea to take some shares into open. I want to accumulate this FSL swing today, so I'm gonna go pretty light. I'd like to accumulate it. Yeah, life looks good as well. I don't know if there's going to be a morning flush on here, but we went 10 to 12, so we're about 20%. I'll buy a couple more shares into life before I open here too with this nice flag. Could get crazy here, so let's load up. I'm just gonna add 200 more shares to my 100 share position from 10. At the bottom of this support line. Okay, we got filled at 1238. So we have 300 shares. I do have some shares at 10 on life. So we got a couple of these swings we'll hold into open. We're not playing too huge. A stop loss. I have a stop loss on would be at $6 on FSL. But I want to start accumulating the swing, and then on life, definitely have a stop loss at around 12. So that's kind of my play for this morning. We'll see what happens here. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys got any questions, let me know. We'll see what happens here in about 3 minutes. But life could be the top play today. We'll see. I just have a small starter in both. Just to, we'll see what happens in the morning. But definitely could be definitely a flush in the morning for life, but we'll see. Yeah, Adder doesn't look great. Adder was popping off, I believe, yesterday, but yeah. Wonder if there's news on FSL. A lot of small caps are down today as well. I don't know why. Let's see, is IWM down? IWM's up 0.5%. Interesting to say the least. Yeah, we'll see what FSL can hold up. I just have a few shares. I wish I would have got that squeak yesterday. I will add more FSL on dips. Yeah, like I said, I'm definitely accumulating a position in FSL. Probably not looking for too big of a day trade here. Yeah, definitely not looking for a day trade in FSL. Be accumulating a position for life. Yeah, most definitely. I also might. I know I have a swing in CEI, but I have a really really good price. Might be looking to add to that, maybe not. I haven't looked. I know there's some information that came out yesterday that wasn't the best for it. If you guys have any questions, drop them below. Thank you, Dreams, for the subscribe. Appreciate that. Yeah, our life is ready for the next leg up here. Same with FSL. So morning's gonna be. Hopefully we don't get. Life is gonna. There's probably gonna be some profit taking this morning. We're up a lot after hours. We'll have to see. What happens here. Yeah, Adder's taking a dip. Adder needs to cool off for sure. Yeah, it's trying to make a move here. If you guys got any tickers you want me to go over, you can take a look. Yeah, life's up 35% after hours, so hopefully we'll just have to take a look and see what happens at open. There could be a morning flush as well, so top watch, but alright, let's get into it here. The good old bell. Okay, life starting to get. We got a whole bunch of volume on life so far. People really want to get into this swing. Adder price target. I'm not playing Adder right now. I could look though here in a sec. Look at that candle, that 1 minute candle on life. Very interesting. Adder looks life looks decent. I'm gonna be trying to accumulate some a longer term swing on FSL. Life looks good as well, so we'll see how these play out in the next few minutes. Definitely want to add some more FSL. FSL looks actually relatively strong as well. You think S&P on the rise again today? Yeah, probably. Yeah, I actually know so. Should bought some calls yesterday. Okay, this is looking. We just have a lot of volume, so need all these. Okay, there we go. There's that big move on life I was looking for, up to $13. Obviously, I couldn't capture any profit on that, but I'm having my phone loaded up here. We're about 50 cents in profit. We have 300 shares, so let me load up my phone. Also, FSL is looking really really good. We're about even on FSL. We're up a little bit on life. If we close at 13, we're gonna halt here. Potential halt potential here on life. We'll see. We got some nice volume coming through. Time and sales, we're looking really really good. But yeah, possibly a big ripper today, and I have some shares at 1238 and 1080. I hope to set up our leg up right here. Let's see if we can form a flag. FSL, yeah, looking really really good. So if you guys take either of these trades with me, we're looking really really good. Always never forget when you guys are at profit. Always scale out. These tickers are very volatile. Life is up 40%, so I'm gonna take 100 shares off the table in life. Very nice. Look at FSL. Wow, perfect candle. We're starting to move up. We're already up money on both of these plays. Looking really really good today so far. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna let. Yeah, FSL looks good. So we got some really, really good stuff happening here. And I was the first person to talk about FSL yesterday. I knew FSL was going to have quite the day, so looking really, really good. If you guys are up in the money, make sure you take profit out. Yeah, FSL looks really, really good. Look at this. Finally crossed over this resistance, even gapped up on here. So, like I said, top play, looking for 10 plus, or not 10 plus, but possibly 10 on here. Looking for 10 on FSL. Life, I'm gonna use. Take 100 off at like 1250. I'm gonna look to. If we can't hold this 12 level, I'm gonna be looking to take the rest of it off. Don't want to lose too much here. I'm gonna load up my last 200 shares here. On my phone, possibly be looking to get out of. Life looks a little bit heavy. We'll give it the benefit of the doubt. I'm not holding that many shares anyways, but looks a little bit heavy. I'd rather move over some money to FSL. Too late to buy FSL. No, wait for a retest here. So, yeah, wait for a dip buying opportunity. So yeah, anyone here is fine in these 632 levels, I think. Yeah, we still have a ways to go anyways. Okay, life looks like we're bouncing back. Definitely. Okay, that looks good. If you guys got any other tickers, let me know. We're gonna, like I said, be looking to accumulate more on FSL and then life. We'll just see what happens with that. Yeah, FSL is looking really, really good from our ads. I'm be surprised if it's up 50% today with that long-term resistance break. Looks great though. I'm gonna risk like honestly like 1180 on life. I'm not gonna lose money on it today. Maybe a little bit, but we had a really, really good morning on live. Just didn't. We looked like we were flagging again. Nice, 644. If you guys got any questions, let me know. YawSupport.com. Okay, I'm going to be out of life here. I have a stop loss at 1180, so if we hit 1180 on life, I'm going to end up losing probably $40, $50. Not terrible. Still think we have a chance of going higher. Didn't really like. I like the open. Still possibly a flag if we break this resistance line. We'll see. Still got a chance, but yeah, our FSL swing is looking really, really good. Still be looking to add some more shares. Yeah, okay. Life could be breaking out of here. We'll see what happens. So like I said, I got that 1180 stop. Okay, there we go. Finally. Starting to look decent again. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Looking pretty solid. Also, I appreciate all the subs coming in. I know some of them don't come up on Streamlabs, but I really, really appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, I was out of Adder. It's very overextended. Needs a breather if it even is going to have another leg up, if it does. But yeah. Life definitely looking a little bit heavy here. Been having some nice candles, and then, yeah. Not a lot of follow through. At least FSL is looking really, really good. CEI. Sure. We'll see. We'll leave. I have a stop loss on that, so we'll let that be CEI. Yeah, CEI is starting to make some plays today, yeah. So we're still setting up a flag on the 1 minute. But yeah, like I said, FSL CEI has just been accumulating. It's been accumulating, so. Yeah, also, like, I was looking for Twitter see what Mr. Zach Morris tweeted out. Just figuring that's probably why this thing was running. And he tweets out. Let's see. I don't know. But yeah, CEI is looking really, really good as well. Like that move. I also like this, like FSO. Nice, get stopped out. Not yet. I think we're going to here though. Yeah, life. There was a quick 8% pop in the morning. Didn't sell off. Should have probably scaled out some. We still have a chance here though. We'll see. We will look. Thank you for all the viewers coming in. Yeah, definitely FSL is going to be the play. We got a lot of volume coming in as well. So I had like a 620 25 average on FSL, 628, something like that. This is all right. Life is starting to shape up too. I hate to do this. I need to use the restroom real quick, so I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm gonna mute this mic. I will be right back. You guys stay here. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. Sorry. Okay, life looks decent. It looks good right here. Damn, we tapped almost 660 on F cell. Sorry, we're back though. Okay, everything looks good. If you guys get any questions, let me know. If you guys get any tickers, stuff like that. Yeah, we did stop out at 1180 on live. I could have made some money this morning, didn't decide to scale out, so let's look at something else. So yeah, CEI. You look at CEI. Yeah, our F cell. F cell looks good though, and I know we talked about accumulating this swing today. Yeah, a little bit overbought here, but yeah, F cell or CEI looks really, really good. See if there's some potential plays to take today, but F cell, like I said, I want to start accumulating a position here. We'll see how it happens. Definitely a stop loss. I have my average on C or on F cell is at 627, so I'm gonna put my stop loss just up at 630 just in case. Lock in some profits, even if it's small. You don't want it to be a loss. I think we have a lot of ways to go though, but just to be safe, it's nice for kind of setting up a flag here. If you guys got any other tickers, let me know that we want to look at. Looks pretty solid so far. Looking for the next leg up on CEI. We're a little bit overextended, like I said, though. Definitely overextended. Have a lot of resistance at that 1.45 level as well. It's such a small stock that even all these big numbers don't really mean too much. Level 2 is going to get... We have a lot of buyers on FCell right now. I think a lot of people making all-time new highs of the days. Looks really, really good. Big pivot over 7 definitely for FCell, but we got an FCell early, so looking for the bigger move. It was a pretty big move this morning, but looking for the big move. Like I said, I'll probably be swinging to $8 to $10. We'll see. Could go higher. I don't know. I think they might have had a press release today, but that break we've been looking for a while. So makes sense why we're why we're up so much. And I know we had it on watch yesterday. I didn't take any shares yesterday, unfortunately. I think some people did though here on the stream. It's pretty cool. Yeah, support maybe support.com later. But I mean later is like if we could see a possible bounce, but I don't really see too much. It's not bullish right now. Just in the downtrend. Don't want to get caught in that. Yeah, wins down 2. Yeah, FCell looking really, really nice for our swing. If we look at our 1 year, 1 day, really, really great candle, but looks like we don't have too much resistance, honestly, up until about 8:32. Look really, really good up till there. And super, super bullish candle right here. Bullish engulfing, and we gapped up, so looks good. Let's see if we can form another flag. Yeah, CEI does look good as well. Well, I mean, wanted to cool down if you're going to be looking to take a position for sure. Um, yeah, looks really really good. Do like FSL first, like I said, $8 to $10. We'll be adding on swings. We'll be swinging it now. I remember when I had FSL at like $40. Sold out, but it's crazy. A lot of bullish ticker tape on FSL. We're getting some volume too. I think we're probably past already our average volume, I would think. Lots of volume so far, so that's really really good for us as well. If you guys got any other tickers, let me know. We can go over those. Yeah, nice forming a flag on CEI. Starting to look good. Thank you for all the subscribes coming in. Really appreciate it. Love to hit 200 today. If we could hit 200 today, I'd be super stoked. Yeah, plug is following, but FSL is going to make the bigger moves. We're already moving so much. We're already up 50 cents on our swing on FSL. Looking really, really juicy. I know some people, we talked about FSL yesterday. I think some people took that as well. But yeah, super, 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 super good. If you guys got any questions, any tickers, let me know. We can review those. Right now, I have a swing in FSL that I opened today right before market open. We lost a little bit on life this morning. Didn't like the chart. We stopped at about 1180. It's about 1180 right now, but FSL's looking good for us. And already a really big percentage gain. 50 cents on $6. There we go, new high of the day. I want to see that 7 pivot's going to be huge. But yeah, this thing could be a grinder all day for sure. Maybe it's up, could be up 50% today. So going to be holding those shares for the big move. AEI. Sure, we can look at AEI.